Yes, ma'am.
क्वेश्चन है, why did India opt the federal type of government?
Because of institute.
In a vast country like India have a diverse languages, cultures and tradition. It becomes difficult to have a single unified administrative setup. So therefore, we opted for a federal form of government.
Okay.
In a
Next,
vast country like India, with diverse
Ma'am, in a
languages,
vast country
religion,
like India, with her
culture,
diverse language, religion, customs, lifestyle, tradition, and the climatic condition and geographical locations, it becomes difficult to have a unified administrative setup. So therefore, we opted a federal form of government.
okay. Next question. How have the legislative powers been divided between the union government and the state government?
the parliament is the highest
Legislative powers have been divided
on all the subjects
Parliament
listed
is
in the
union
union list,
government and
current
the
list
state
and necessary
government into
subjects.
three lists.
Power to
First,
make
union list. Second, state list. Third, concurrent list.
list on the subjects mentioned in the union list. Both the union government and state government can make laws on the subjects mentioned in the concurrent list, and again, union government has an exclusive power to make laws on the subjects mentioned in the residuary subjects.
Next, any other?
The parliament is the highest law-making body. It makes laws on all the subjects enlisted in the union list, concurrent list, and the residuary subjects. Central government makes laws on subjects mentioned in the union list. There are 97 subjects. State government makes laws on the subject mentioned in the state list. There are 66 subjects. Both central and state governments make law on subjects mentioned in the concurrent list. Central government also makes laws on residuary subjects.
ओके, आयुष बोलना चाह रहा है, आयुष, फिर उसके बाद आदित्य हंसराज, फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आई विल गिव चांस टू रेस्ट ऑफ द पर्सन. आयुष बोलो. रोल 39. आयुष 8A रोल 39. आपने रेज हैंड किया है. आयुष 8A रोल 39.
The parliament is the highest law-making body. It makes laws on the subject mentioned in union list, concurrent list, and residuary list. Central government makes laws on all the subject mentioned in the union list. There are 97 subjects in the union list. State government make laws on the subject mentioned in state list. There are total 66 subjects in state list. Both central and the state government makes laws on the subject mentioned in concurrent list. Central governments also make laws on residuary subjects.
Next question is 5 major functions of Indian government. Important question है. 5 major functions of Indian Parliament.
Legislative powers.
Legislative powers, control over executive, financial powers, power to amend the constitution, electoral function.
Union list and the concurrent list. Control over the executive. The Lok Sabha has an effective control over the executive in case it passes a no confidence bill against any one minister. The whole council of ministers has to resign collectively. The annual budget of the government is passed by the Lok Sabha, by the parliament every year, and the power to amend the constitution. Both the houses have equal power in amending the constitution. Electoral function. The members of the parliament exercise their rights to vote for the president and the vice president of India. They also use their powers to remove the judiciary and the president of India by following a set of procedures called impeachment.
Okay.
And the five major function of parliament. First of all, the legislative power. The Parliament is the largest law-making body. It makes law on the subject mentioned in the concurrent list, union list, and on residuary subjects. Second is the control over the executive. In a parliamentary form of government, the whole council of ministers is responsible to the Lok Sabha. In case the vote of no confidence is passed against any one minister, the whole council of ministers has to resign collectively, and the Rajya Sabha will cannot pass the no confidence bill. The no confidence, so Lok Sabha has more effective control over the executive. Third is the financial power. The annual budget of the union government is passed every year by the parliament. Now, third is power to amend the constitution. In this case, if both houses has equal power to amend the constitution. Now, the fifth one is the judicial power. The parliament is in power to remove the president as well as the judges of Supreme Court and High Court, and the process and the procedure which is adopted for this purpose is called impeachment. And the sixth is electoral function. The members of parliament exercise their right to vote to elect the president and the vice president of India.
ओके गुड। एक सेकेंड दिलीप, ये आर्यन को एडमिट कर लूं, उसको कुछ बोलना है। दिलीप कुमार सिंह करके एडमिट हुआ है, देखो तो दिलीप कुमार सिंह।
यस मैम हुआ है।
यस मैम हुआ है।
आर्यन नाम चेंज करो, दिलीप कुमार सिंह क्यों लिखा हुआ है आर्यन? आर्यन
मैम मेरे पापा का अकाउंट है।
हाँ तो पापा का अकाउंट, मैं भी मम्मी हूँ, मेरी भी 2 बच्चियां हैं, बट उन लोगों के अपने अपने अकाउंट है। अनन्या सिंह एंड अंकिता सिंह, अनन्या घोष एंड अंकिता घोष। आर्यन आप फिर
मैम अभी ये मैम कर रहे हैं।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, उसी लिए कह रहे, तुम यहाँ से निकलो और फिर ठीक करके एंटर करो, ठीक है ना बेटा? सिखा रही हूँ, फिर स्नैप होगा कुछ दिन में आपको ब्लॉक कर देगा, जो एग्जाम नहीं देने देगा बेटा। आप प्रॉपर अपना अकाउंट बना लो, उसमें है पेरेंट के साथ, पेरेंट अकाउंट में भी है ना? देखो सब जितने भी बच्चे होंगे टीचर के, उनको भी करना पड़ता है ना? कर लो, ठीक है? तुम निकल जाओ मीटिंग से, या फिर आप सीख लो और तुम अपना चेंज करो। इतना जो पोस्ट हो रहा है तुम
कर लिया।
नेक्स्ट
मैम कर लिए,
कर दिए? हाँ, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। अब है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, how is the speaker of Lok Sabha elected? Mention his power and function.
The Speaker of Lok Sabha is elected
One by
similar manner. The Speaker, there is a tradition that the Speaker of Lok Sabha is from the ruling party and the Deputy Speaker is from the opposition party. The function of a Speaker is that he maintains discipline and decorum of the House, and if the situation demands, he can adjourn the House. All the petitions and drafts addressed to the Lok Sabha is received by the Speaker of Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha Speaker presides over the meetings of Lok Sabha, and in his or her absence, Deputy Speaker chairs the House. In the joint meeting of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, it is the Lok Sabha Speaker who puts over the meeting.
Okay, next. Any other person want to give this answer?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
Speaker and Deputy Speaker are elected by
Speaker
the
of Lok
members
Sabha
amongst themselves. There is a tradition that the Speaker is elected from the majority party and the Deputy Speaker from the opposition party. Now the powers and functions of the Speaker. The Speaker presides over the meetings of the Lok Sabha. In his or her absence, the House is chaired by the Deputy Speaker. The speaker maintains discipline and decorum of the house. If the situation demands, the speaker can adjourn the house. It is the Lok Sabha Speaker who presides over the joint sitting of both the houses of the parliament. All the petitions and documents addressed to the house are received by the speaker.
ठीक है बोलियो फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो पूछूंगी उसमें तनुश्री बोलेगी, आयुष बोलेगा, अनन्या सिंह बोलेगी, ये लोग बोलेगी. फिलहाल अन्वेषा बोलो.
Mama
Ma'am, the speaker and the deputy speaker of Lok Sabha are elected by the members amongst themselves. It is a tradition that the speaker is elected from the majority party and the deputy speaker is elected from the opposition party. Now, the powers and the function of speaker. Speaker maintains the discipline and decorum of the house, and if the situation demands, she can adjourn the house, and the speaker presides over the meeting of it is the speaker who presides over the meeting of Lok Sabha. In his absence, the house is chaired by the deputy, and all petitions and the documents which is addressed by the house is received by the speaker. And it is the Lok Sabha speaker who presides the joint meeting of the both houses of the parliament.
Okay, next question is for Ayush, Kritir and Soumya. Next question is for Ayush, Kritir, Soumya and Anand Bhavak. बोल रही हूँ. Describe the procedure followed by the Union Parliament is passing an ordinary bill. बोलो, कोई start करो. आयुष स्टार्ट करो. Describe the process.
Making of law is initiated by introducing a legislature proposal for the bill in either of the two houses, but it is must by passed by each house separately. Approval of both the houses is necessary for passing a bill. The Constitution of India provides three methods of amending the Constitution, that is simple majority, special majority, special majority, and ratification.
Okay, ठीक है. Kritir.
Yes, ma'am. Making of laws initiated by introducing a legislative proposal for a bill other than the money bill. In either of the two houses of the parliament, approval both the houses is necessary for passing a bill.
Next, Anand Bhavak. Anand.
Making of a law is initiated by introducing a legislative proposal for the bill in either of two houses. Approval of both the houses is necessary for passing a bill. Our constitution gives three methods to procedure the bill. Three methods are absolute majority, special majority, and ratification.
Okay, next, Soumya.
Yes, ma'am. The making of a law.
हाँ बोलो, Soumya बोलो.
The making of a law is initiated by introducing a legislative proposal for the bill in either of the two houses of the parliament. Approval of both the houses is necessary for passing a bill. After the bill is passed by both the houses, it is then sent to the president for consent. After the president signs it, it becomes a law.
Okay, next question. Highlight any three dissimilarities. Highlight any three dissimilarities between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha with respect to their composition. Anand, bologe?
Ma'am, I want to give
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answer.
Lok Sabha, the maximum strength is 552. Rajya Sabha, the maximum strength is 250. The members are directly elected by the people. Rajya Sabha, the members are indirectly elected by people. Lok Sabha, the president elects 2 members, but in Rajya Sabha, the president elects 12 members.
Next.
And the maximum strength of the Lok Sabha is 550 and the maximum strength of the Rajya Sabha is 250. The members of Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people, whether the members of the Rajya Sabha are indirectly elected by the people. President of India nominate 2 members from the Anglo-Indian community, whether the President of India nominate 12 members from the
Okay, Ananya Singh. Ananya Singh. Ananya Singh. Bolo babu.
In
Ananya.
Lok Sabha, the maximum strength is 552. In Rajya Sabha, the maximum strength is 250. In Lok Sabha, the members are elected directly by the people. In Rajya Sabha, the members are elected indirectly by the people. In Lok Sabha, the president elect 2 members. In Rajya Sabha, the president elect only 12 members.
Okay, very good. Tanushree bolo, Tanushree. Tanushree.
The maximum strength of Lok Sabha is 552. The maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is 260. The members of Lok Sabha are elected directly by the people. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected indirectly by the people. The president elects 2 members in Lok Sabha. The president elects 12 members in Rajya Sabha.
Very good. Now describe the composition of union government. Sanvi बोलना चाह रही थी. शानवी. दिव्या.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, Sanvi बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Composition of union government.
Yes, ma'am. The composition of union government in India, Lok Sabha. In Lok Sabha, the maximum strength is shall not be succeeded 550. 530 members are directly elected by the people from different states, whereas the remaining 20 are elected from the union territories. President of India has the power to nominate 2 Anglo-Indian members. Now, Rajya Sabha. The maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is 250. 12 members are nominated by the President of India, and the remaining are elected from the states and union territories by the elected members of the state legislative assemblies.
Okay. Next,
गलत है मैम. हेलो मैम.
हाँ, आनंद बोलो.
मैम जो अभी बोला वो गलत. मैम यूनियन गवर्नमेंट के बारे में पूछ रहा है ना कि लेजिस्लेचर के बारे में.
उसमें क्या बोला?
क्वेश्चन में दिया है मैम. यूनियन लेजिस्लेचर के बारे में बोल रही है, राज्यसभा लोकसभा के बारे में. हम दिया है यूनियन गवर्नमेंट.
तुम बोलो तो, एक बार बोलो तो. कौन क्वेश्चन पूछी? कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ यूनियन गवर्नमेंट ना.
यस मैम. तो
बोलो,
के बारे में बोल.
यूनियन गवर्नमेंट में क्या क्या है?
मैम लेजिस्लेचर है, एग्जीक्यूटिव है और जुडिशरी है.
एक मिनट. यूनियन गवर्नमेंट, ये देखो. यूनियन गवर्नमेंट, लेजिस्लेचर, एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड जुडिशियरी. लेजिस्लेचर में लोकसभा,
राज्यसभा
और मैम एग्जीक्यूटिव जुडिशरी.
मैम क्लास ले रहे हैं, 2 मिनट बाद. ओके. यूनियन गवर्नमेंट में लेजिस्लेचर में लोकसभा, राज्यसभा, एग्जीक्यूटिव में प्राइम मिनिस्टर एंड यूनियन काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर. ठीक है. अच्छा. और जुडिशियरी में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया. देखो यही चीज स्टेट में भी है. चूंकि यूनियन गवर्नमेंट पढ़ रहे तो हम लोग दिल्ली में जो है यूनियन सेंटर में जो है सो हम लोगों ने पढ़ा. वैसे स्टेट में यहाँ पर लोकसभा राज्यसभा की जगह विधानसभा विधान परिषद होगा और प्रेसिडेंट की जगह यहाँ पे गवर्नर होंगे और प्राइम मिनिस्टर की जगह चीफ मिनिस्टर, और वहां भी काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर होंगे, और जुडिशियरी में यहाँ सुप्रीम कोर्ट है, वहां पर हाई कोर्ट होंगे। तो अब बोलो कौन क्या कुछ गलती किया है क्या?
मैम एग्जीक्यूटिव जुडिशरी के बारे में नहीं बोल रही, सिर्फ लोकसभा राज्यसभा को डिफाइन कर दी।
ठीक है, तो तुमने सुन लिया, तो जो जिसने नहीं बोला है उसको वो बोलना है, ठीक है। चलो, वेरी गुड, वेरी अटेंटिव, आप इतने अच्छे से सुन रहे हो, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट बच्चा कौन बोलेगा? एक सेकंड, क्वेश्चन निकालने दो। नेक्स्ट रेडी हो जाओ। नेक्स्ट है compare the legislative and financial powers of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha.
The making of a law is initiated by introducing a proposal of a bill in either of the two houses. Approval of both the houses is required for passing a bill. In case of disagreement between the two houses, a joint majority vote is taken from the joint meeting of the two houses. Financial powers. The Lok Sabha has more effective control over the money bills. It passes the money bills of the parliament every year. Rajya Sabha cannot pass a money bill if Rajya Sabha make any recommendation regarding money bills. Lok Sabha may or may not accept it. In this way, Lok Sabha is more powerful as it has more power over the money bills as compared to Rajya Sabha.
Good. ये क्वेश्चन कोई और बोलो। तनुश्री है, सौम्या है, अनन्या सिंह है, अंशिका, जिसको भी मन है बोलिए। Compare the legislative, बोलो, कृतिर बोलो।
Ma'am, please repeat the question once.
Compare the legislative and financial power of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. पहले फर्स्ट पार्ट बता लो, फिर सेकंड पार्ट में है कि on the basis of your comparison, which two houses is more powerful and how? ठीक है, चलो।
Ma'am, question clear नहीं हो रहा है।
हाँ?
Ma'am, question सही से नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है।
क्वेश्चन नहीं सुनाई दे रहा। मैंने कहा लेजिस्लेटिव और फाइनेंशियल पावर कंपेयर करना है, लोकसभा और राज्यसभा बोथ। लेजिस्लेटिव पावर, लॉ मेकिंग पावर कंपेयर करो, और फाइनेंशियल पावर दोनों के। तनुश्री बोलना चाहते हो? तनुश्री बोलो, तनुश्री बोलो।
Legislative power. Making of a law is initiated by introducing a legislature proposal for the bill in either of the two houses. The approval of both the houses is necessary for passing a bill. In case of disagreement between the two houses, majority vote is taken in the joint meeting of both the houses. Since Rajya Sabha cannot pass a vote of no confidence, Lok Sabha has more effective control over the union government. Financial power. Regarding money matters, Lok Sabha is much more powerful than Rajya Sabha. The money bills can only be introduced in Lok Sabha. If Rajya Sabha makes any recommendation regarding a money bill, Lok Sabha may or may not accept it. So Lok Sabha is more powerful.
Good. Shall we?
मैम एक चीज पूछना है मैम।
हाँ बोलो।
हेलो मैम लेजिस्लेटिव पावर्स में बोल दी सिंस राज्यसभा कैन नॉट पास ए वोट ऑफ नो कॉन्फिडेंस, ये तो साफ साफ कंट्रोल ओवर एग्जीक्यूटिव में आता है, तो मैम लेजिस्लेटिव पावर में कैसे बोल दी? Since Rajya Sabha cannot pass a vote of no confidence, Lok Sabha has more effective control over the union executive. कंट्रोल ओवर एग्जीक्यूटिव
ये एग्जीक्यूटिव पे आता है, कंट्रोल ओवर एग्जीक्यूटिव पे। बोलने में थोड़ा सा स्लिप ऑफ टंग हो गया होगा बाबू, ठीक है ना? चलो कोई बात नहीं, उसने याद किया है, पर अभी बोलने में थोड़ा सा स्लिप ऑफ टंग हो गया होगा। शैल वी बोलोगी? शैल वी? बहुत दिनों से कुछ बोलती नहीं हो। शैल वी? शैल वी? इन लोग अच्छा चलो नेक्स्ट कौन बोलेगा?
आयुष।
आयुष बोलो। आयुष
and legislative power. Making of law is initiated by introducing a legislative proposal for the bill in either of the two houses. Approval of both the houses is necessary for passing a bill. In case of disagreement between two houses, a majority vote is taken in joint meeting of both the houses. Financial power. Regarding money matters, Lok Sabha is much more powerful than Rajya Sabha. If Rajya Sabha makes any recommendation regarding money bills, Lok Sabha may or may not accept it. Hence, Lok Sabha is more powerful regarding financial powers than Rajya Sabha.
ओके ठीक है, तो ये चैप्टर के सारे क्वेश्चंस हो गए. नेक्स्ट हम लोगों का होमवर्क रहेगा